Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to Always On Display and lock screen. Tap to Always On Display section. Here we got switcher to activate or turn off AOD option. If you want to use your custom theme, just click here to this plus. You could set your custom image, your own colors. Also, you could use the themes, the default themes like the signature, analog, clocks, kaleidoscope, digital, or background themes. You could switch also here the text colors to activate or turn off the battery status, to show the notifications from any apps, and to set it, just click to apply. Now we could see the message that this theme applied successfully, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully customized AOD option on our Redmi Note. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.